Okay, we have a Sharp Vertical Machining Center, model SV2412, serial number 401000430. This machine was new in 2005 and we are running it. Machine has a FANUC 0i MB control. It has a 40 taper, 8,000 RPM spindle. Right now we're running at 1,500 RPM. Nice and quiet. 3,000. 6,000 RPM. Machine, again, is a Cat 40 spindle. It has an umbrella style tool changer with 10 tool capacity. You have a T-slotted table that's 27.5 by 12 inches. Right there, we're simulating a tool change. You have 24 inches of X travel, 12 of Y, and 18 of Z. We'll show you that as well. Simulating another tool change, that was the Z-axis. Machine also has box ways on all axes. It's running the X, again 24-inch travel. The Y, 12, and the Z, 18. All right. Again, it has a remote jog handle, cooling system, original paint. This is a nice one. Thank you for watching our video.